Welcome to emstatonline. Continuation of the previous videos. Python list. Lists are used to store multi-items in a single variable. Lists are one of four built-in data type in Python used to store collection of data. The other three are tuple sets dictionary, all with different qualities and usages. Lists are created using square bracket. Example, this list equal to and he, she. Print this list. Output single quoted and, comma single quoted he, comma single quoted she. List items. Lists are ordered, changeable, and allow duplicate values. List items are indexed. The first item has zero, one. Changeable, the list is changeable, meaning that we can change, add, and remove items in a list after it has been created. Allow duplicates. List allow duplicate values. Example, this list is equal to and he, again we can write an. Print this list output and he, again and. List length. To determine how many items a list has, use a length function. Example, this list is equal to and he, she. Print len of this list. The output here 3 numbers, so it is 3. Data types. List item can be of any data type. String, integer, and boolean data types. List, example, list 1 equal to an, he. List 2 equal to 1, 2, 3. List 3 equal to true, false, true, boolean. So print list 1, print list 2, print list 3. The output and he 1, 2, 3. The third one true, false, true. A list can contain different data types. Type function. From Python perspective, lists are defined as objects with the data type list. So class list. Example, what is the type of a list? So my list is equal to an, he. Print type my list. The output class list. Change list item. To change the value of a specific item, refer to the index number. Example, this list equal to A, B, C. This list we need to change 1 equal to D. Print this list. So the output zero index 1 2. So we need to change 1 to D. So 0A, 1B is changed to D. We need to change a range of item values. To change the value of items within a specific range, define the list with the new values and refer to the range of index numbers where you want to insert the new values. Example, this list equal to A, B, C, D and E, F. This list 1:3. That means 1 included, 3 is not included. M N. Print this list. The output is A 1 changed to M, 2 changed to N, 3, 4 and 5. Insert item. To insert a new list of items without replacing any of the existing value, we can use insert function. This insert method an item to the specified index. Example, this list A, B and C. This list dot insert to M. Print this list. The output A 0 index, B first index, and 2 add M, then C last one. According to this one, we can insert any items add list of items. To add an item to the end of the list, use append function, append method. Example, this list A, B, C. This list dot append D, print this list. The output is A, B, C, D. Insert item. Example, this list equal to A, B and C. This list dot insert 1 M, print this list. The output, we can insert 1 to M. So A 0 index 1 to M, so M, B, C. Add any iterable. Use extend method. Example, this list A, B, C. This tuple equal to M, N. This list dot extend this tuple, print this list. The output is extended all. A, B, C, M, N. Python, remove this item. Remove specified item. We can use remove method. Example, list A, B and C. List dot remove B, print list. The output is A, C. We can remove specified index. Here we can use pop method. Example, list equal to A, B, C. List dot pop 1, print list. Output first one is index 0, second one is index 1. If we did not specify the index, the pop method removes the last item. Example, list A, B, C. List dot pop print list. Then output if index is not given, so the output eliminate last item. Del key del keyword also removes the specified index. List A, B, C. Del list 0, print list. The output zero index is the first item, so B, C. The del keyword can also delete the list completely. Example, the list A, B, C, del list. This will cause an error because we have successfully deleted this list. Print list. List is not defined, it's showing. Clear the list. Clear method. Empties the list. The list still remains but has no contact. Clear the list command. List A, B, C. List.clear command. Print list. The output is clear all items. Loop list. We can loop through the list items by using for loop. Example, print all items in the list one by one. List A, B, C for X in list. Print X. Output A, B, C. Loop through the index number. We can also loop through the list items by referring to their index number. We use range and len functions to create a suitable iterable. Example, list A, B, C for I in range len of list. Print list close parenthesis I. So output A, B, and C. The iterable created in 0, 1, 2 also. While loop. We can loop through the list items by using while loop. Use the len function to determine the length of the list. Then start 0 and the loop your way through the list items by referring to their index. Remember to increase by index by 1 after each iteration. Example, list A, B, C, I is equal to 0 while I is less than len list print list I is equal to I plus 1. So in this case output I is equal to 0 while I is less than len list print list I. Suppose 0 is length of the list 3, then list I, first one, A, B, and C. Looping using list comprehension. List comprehensions offer the shortest syntax of looping through the list. For loop. Example, list A, B, C, print X for X in list. So the output A, B, and C. List comprehension offer a shorter syntax when we want to create a new list based on the values of an existing list. Example, alpha equal to A, B, C, D, E. New list for X in alpha if A in X new list append X print new list. The output A in X. So here alpha only A. So output is only A. The list comprehension, we can do all that with only one line of code. Alpha numerically. List object have sort method that will sort the list alpha numerically, ascending by default. Example, list C M T A. List dot sort print list. So the output sort alpha numerically A C D M. Sort the line numerically. Example, list ten, 15, 20, 25. List dot sort print list. The output sending 10, 15, 20, 25. Suppose we need to sort descending, we use reverse equal to true. Example, list equal to A, B, C. List dot sort reverse equal to true print list. So in this case, the output C D A. Sort the list descending, numerical. Example, list 10, 25, 5, 30. List dot sort reverse equal to true, print list. Then output from highest to lowest. Highest 30, 25, 10, 5. Customize chart. We can also customize our own function by using the key argument key equal to function. The function will return a number that will be used to sort the list, the lowest number first. Example, sort the list based on how close the number is to 50. Definition, my function n return absolute n minus 50 list equal to 10, 50, 60, 70. List dot sort key equal to my function print list. The output first one is close thing 50, then 20, this 30, this 40. So 50, 60, 70, 10. Reverse order. If we want to reverse the order of a list, we can use reverse method. Example, list equal to B O K C list dot reverse print list. The output is C K O and B. Copy list. We cannot copy a list simply by typing list 2 equal to list 1, because list 2 will only be reference to list 1, and changes made in list 1 will automatically also be made in list 2. So there are ways to make a copy. One way is to use built-in list method, copy method. Example, list A, B, C. My list equal to list.copy, print my list. So here in my list, let's copy the whole thing. So output is we get the same A, B, C. We can make copy is to build in method list. This method also. Example, list equal to A, B, C. My list equal to list of list. Print my list. So in this case also output A, B, C. Join two lists. One of the easiest way are by using plus operator. Example, list 1 equal to A, B. List 2 equal to numerical value 2, 4. List 3 equal to list 1 plus list 2. Print list 3. So in this case, the output A, B, 2, 4. It's a numerical value. So this one is 2, 4. We can use append and extend. Example, list 1 equal to 1, 2. List 2 equal to C, D. List 1 dot extend list 2. Print list 1. So in this case also we can get the extend form output is 1, 2, C, D. So the method append, add and eliminate at the end of the list. Clear, remove all the elements from the list. Copy, returns a copy of that list. Count, returns the number of elements with the specified value. Extend, add the elements of a list to the end of the current list. Index, return the index of the first element with the specified value. Insert, add an element to the specified position. Pop, remove the element at the specified position. Removes the items with a specified value. Reverse the order of the list. Sorts the list.